Write an essay in about 150 words on the Independence Day using the following points. Number 1. When and why celebrated? Point number 2. Prabhat Feri. Point number 3. Flag hoisting. Point number 4. Speeches. Point number 5. Cultural activities. Introduction. India became free on August 15, 1947. We celebrate our Independence Day on this day every year. Prabhat Feri. We got up early for Prabhat Feri on August 15 this year. We sang Ut Jaag Musafir Bhor Bhai and shouted slogans. Flag hosting. We reached the school at 8 o'clock in uniform. We stood in our class lines before the flagpole. The MLA of the locality hosted the tricolors, saffron, white and green, Tiranga. The national song and the flag songs were sung. The slogans, victory of the Mother India and the others were shouted. Mother India, भारत माता वाला मसला है. Other activities. The messages of the governor and the education minister of the state were read out. Speeches were given as to how we got freedom. Cultural activities were performed. A football match teacher versus students were played. In the afternoon, a procession of the NCC cadets of all schools and colleges were arranged. Conclusion. Our college looked very beautiful on this day. Everybody showed zeal and joy for the independence. Sweets were distributed. We returned home in the evening. Difficult words. Celebrate, मनाते हैं. Shouted songs, नारे लगाए. Flag hosting, झंडा फहराना. Tricolor, तिरंगा. Victory, जय जिंदाबाद. ज़ील, उत्साह, एक्साइटमेंट, उभारना, खुशी से आपे से बाहर होना.